Hey everyone! Want to browse the internet more securely? In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable HTTPS only mode in Firefox to keep your browsing safe from unsecured sites. Let's get started. First, open Firefox and click the menu button in the top right corner. Then, select Settings. Now scroll down to Privacy and Security and look for the section called HTTPS Only Mode. Here, you'll see three options. Choose Enable HTTPS Only Mode in all windows to make sure every website loads securely whenever possible. And that's it. Now, Firefox will always try to load secure HTTPS versions of websites, protecting you from unencrypted connections. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.